What's up, everyone? This is Professor G, and I've been getting a lot of questions on how do I take math and English at the Los Rios colleges. So today I'm going to tell you how to do it as quickly as I can. First thing, you got to apply to the college, cccapply.org. Second thing, in that application, it's going to ask you a bunch of math and English questions, not math and English problems, but really your experience taking math and English classes in high school, what kinds of grades, etc. From there, their system determines your placement in math and English classes. And if you're in English as a second language student, then you got to take a whole other assessment, which will then determine placement. Most of you will get a placement right after you submit that application to the college. If you didn't, then you go to their website, search for placements, and you're going to fill out another form or be provided a link to answer some confidence questions in terms of your math and English. Then that will determine placements. Or in other words, which classes to start in with math or English. And it also depends on your major. Those of you that are studying STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, or math majors, you're going to get a different placement than someone that's studying, say, business or liberal arts or anything like that. Let me give you an example. Your placement may come back as Statistics 300 by itself, or math, and then for English, it may come back as English Writing ENGWR 300. By itself, meaning those are the classes that your major is associated with, and that's what you placed into, and you go and you now look through the class schedule, find one of those classes in each of those areas and add it to your schedule. Now, for the rest of you that maybe didn't do too well in math and English, or it's been a long time since you've been in math and English classes, you're going to get that same result, Statistics 300, but then it's going to be tied to a support class. In Sacramento City College's case, it'll be Statistics 300 plus Statistics 10. Which means when you look at the class schedule, you got to make sure that you're taking a combo class, a class that ties a Statistics 300 with a Statistics 10. You then have to log into your e-services account with the college so that you can plug in those registration codes. And here's the key. You want to put both of those courses numbering into the shopping cart at the same time and process the shopping cart on your e-services account at the same time, or else it's not going to work. Same thing can happen for your English class as well. It could be ENGWR 300 with the support class of ENGWR 80. And starting in the fall 2025, the course numbering for about 6 courses across the system is changing. So you heard me say Statistics 300 earlier. Stat 300 is now going to be changed to Stat C1000. That's going to be a common name across all 115 colleges. Doing that for English and math and a select general education classes. It's about 6 or 8 of them. So be on the lookout on how your specific campus is changing the numbering and what classes you will now need to enroll in starting in the fall 2025 and beyond. Always make an appointment early to see a counselor so you can have those discussions now.